freak weather. Orange snowstorm tourist resorts with eerie apocalyptic scenes. A freak weather incident has struck at least 4 countries, turning white snow into an eerie orange shade that has left residents terrified about the cause. Cities around Russia, Ukraine, Bulgaria and Romania have all reported the bizarre orange snow phenomenon, videos of which have quickly gone viral. Tourist destinations, including ski resorts, have been blanketed by the orange snow, which has turned snowy mountains into sand dunes. Several witnesses compared the scene to an apocalyptic scenario or something that resembled the surface of Mars. Scientists have blamed the eerie snow tint, which varied from light yellow to intense orange and even brown, on a mix of sand and pollen. Experts from the Sochi Center of Hydrometeorology and Monitoring of the Black and Azov Seas were sent to test the strange sight yesterday. A spokesman for the center said the cause of the phenomenon was likely winds carrying sand from the Sahara, which then fell as rain. However, they also predicted that things will be back to normal within days. Tourists at a ski resort in Sochi, which hosted the 2014 Winter Olympic Games, posted photos on Instagram and Twitter of the hazy landscapes and yellow-orange slopes. One user said, "Martian landscape, apocalypse now." Another added, "Snowy slopes were transformed into bark-hewn dunes." Similar photos were posted by residents in Romania, Ukraine and Bulgaria. The snow phenomenon has been compared to a similar incident that took place in Siberia in 2007 when orange-tinted snowfall covered 1,500 square kilometers. Despite theories, it remained unclear what caused the orange snow display, with speculation ranging from pollution to a nearby sandstorm. According to Russia's environmental watchdog at the time, the snow was reported to be malodorous, oily and contained 4 times the normal level of iron.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.